base sa record ngayon ng IATF is that meron pong notice to comply na na-issue ang Bureau of Fire Protection doon sa Kentex. Meaning to say,
In July last year.
July 10, 2014,
Okay.
na kailangan nila mag-comply for certain requirements na naaayon sa fire code.
And you give a copy of this to the mayor's office.
Exactly po yung ang purpose nitong interagency task force to look into why it stops from there. So titingnan natin dahil ang procedure po kasi ma'am is pag na-issuean mo ng notice to comply, kailangan mag-comply itong pabrika nito.
No, pero pag in-issue nyo yan, hindi ba kayo nagbibigay ng abiso sa mayor's office na ito pong pabrika na ito walang
Hindi pa po yun kasi ipinapakomply pa natin yung pabrika. Meaning to say, hindi pa siya ma-issue ng Fire Safety Inspection Certificate.
Okay.
Because ang sa amin naman pong sinusunod na law is that hindi makaka-operate ang isang negosyo without first securing our Fire Safety Inspection Certificate. So once na-issuean po yan, meaning to say, compliance siya, pwede na siya ma-issuean ng permit ng mayor.
Kaya nga, nung July 10, 2014, sinabi nyo dito sa Kentex, hindi kayo pwede kasi meron kayong this, that, and other things. July 10, tapos wala na kayong narinig sa Kentex the whole year. Hindi ba kayo nagbabahala?
The normal process is that they should report that to the mayor. But ito po ang titingnan natin ngayon kung meron po bang pagkakamali.
Ma'am, siguro po sa punto na to, yung IATF, yung Interagency Task Force, ay naatasan para tignan kung naputol ba yung communication somewhere along the line.
Yeah, no. What is the normal way? Don't tell me about what's happening in the Interagency Task Force because they're obviously trying to figure out what happened.
Sa fire code, nakalagay muna, bibigyan ka ng notice and pay the fines. May mga fines ho yun eh. Afterwards, sasabihin ng Bureau of Fire Protection, pag hindi ka pa rin nag-comply, lalagyan ka ng karatula sa labas ng iyong tanggapan, this is a fire hazard. Pag hindi pa rin, you can now shut them down also without me. Meaning there are two ways of shutting down a establishment. I revoke the business permit or if it's a fire safety, they can also take cognizance and pwede nyo rin isara. Tama ho ako. No? Ganun ho ang pagkakaintindi ko sa fire code.
Okay. So, what happened to you? July 10, sinabi nyo, you are not compliant in this. Tapos, wala na nangyari. Nagkalimutan na. Oo.
Yun nga po ang ang tinitingnan namin dito dahil hindi siya na-issue ng That is usually happen na dapat mag-comply muna sila. Pag hindi sila mag-comply, they will be definitely be given a fine or penalty of suspension, cancellation of the business.
Oh, then what happened? Why was this hindi ito nangyari? Sino ang nagkalimot?
Yun nga po ang tinitingnan ng Interagency Task Force. The reason why, kaya po yung create dahil para malaman kung meron po bang lapses on the part of the BFP personnel
Well, obviously
nag-implement.
there's lapses all over the place or else there's not going to be 70 people die. But it is clear that you don't have to give the mayor any indication that such a thing is happening in his
No,
area.
ma'am, in the circular memo ng 2011, there is a repertorial requirement from the BFP. Ma'am, because kung titignan ho natin, wala naman kaming expertise ang local government pagdating sa fire safety. Wala naman ho kaming mga fire marshal, wala naman ho kaming mga fire inspector, kasi hindi ho yan kapangyarihan ng local government. Kaya ho siguro doon sa gumawa ng fire code or ng mga guidelines na sumunod, ay kailangan may mag-report sa local government na, oy mayor, i-revoke mo na yan. Or mayor, wag mo na i-renew yan.